Yo, welcome back once again. Today, we'll be taking another walk through the real streets of Ghana. No filters, no fake lifestyle, just everyday life as it be. From the roadside sellers to the busy traffic, the sounds, the people, the vibes. This is the real atmosphere you hardly see on TV. As we move through the area, take your time to watch how life goes on naturally in the streets of Ghana. Some people are just hustling, some are just relaxed, others move through the day like normal. One thing about Ghana is every street has its own energy and story. You see small shops packed with people, music blasting from corners, food vendors all alongside the streets, and mini buses, which we mostly call trotro passing, and people everywhere trying to make something happen. This is a kind of everyday lifestyle that makes the street come alive. If you enjoy real street walks, Ghana culture, and authentic African city vibes, then subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment because we still have plenty places to actually explore. Now, let's get back to the video. Let's go.